All right, guys, I want to show you something my buddy made. He made 3D prints accessories for kayaks, mainly the Hobie Lynx, but I saw what he had and I said, hey, can you adapt that on my kayak? And he's like, yeah, it's no problem. I showed it. So I had to make these little rails that will slide on my, hold on, that will slide on here, the seat track. Do that, put that one on there. Because I'm short, I have my kayak, my seat a little forward right here. So I put that on there like that. And then this guy fits on there really easily. It has magnets. Hold your lures in. This thing comes out, wash it. It has a little clip right here. I'm gonna put my pliers like on that guy. It's pretty sweet. And if you're tall and your seat goes way back, you can add it to the front here. But it's kind of where I like it. I put my little lures and such in there. You guys need to check it out. Super Yak Fishing